Hi friends, welcome to CSE Technology Hub. I am Chanakeshava and I am so excited to have you here on this channel. You will find the way and how to learn computer science and engineering related technologies and skills. My goal is to bring you valuable and inspiring content every day. So without wasting the time, we will start today's content. Firstly, in engineering, we must learn a programming language at least one in very well. We will learn about a Python programming language by starting day by day. We will try to complete and move to further skills and to learn Python programming language. It is object oriented programming structure. First of all, what is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted and general-purpose programming language known for its simplicity and readability and versatility. We will firstly learn about Python programming language as a first programming language due to its several reasons. First one, readability and simplicity. Python syntax is designed to be readable and straightforward and resembling like a English. Python syntax is very similar to the English sentences and for them which make easier for beginners to understand and write code. Versatility. Python is a general purpose language meaning it can be used for wide range of applications from web development to data analysis, artificial intelligence and scientific computing and much more. Extensive libraries and frameworks which contain more libraries, enrich of libraries which can be used by the beginners. Python has a rich set of libraries and frameworks and that can help beginners to perform complex tasks without having to write code from scratch. For example, libraries NumPy and pandas are great for data analysis and Flask and Django are popular for web development. Community support. Python has a large and active community. This means that beginners can easily find tutorials, documentations and forums, which means online discussion platforms to solve more problems. Cross-platform compatibility. Python is a cross-platform, which means that Python programs can run on different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS and Linux without any changes. Job market. Python is most in demand programming language in job market. Learning Python can open up number of careers opportunities in various fields. Interpreted programming language. Unlike other compiled language like C or Java, Python executes code by line, which make debug easy. Python does not require you to compile your code into machine level language. The Python interpreter takes care of it and gives for faster output. Python interpreter. It is a software and reads a Python source code .py files. .py is nothing but extension of Python programming language. Translates the code into an intermediate form called bytecode. Executes the bytecode using the Python virtual machine, that is PVM. It's a short form. Thank you. We will see in tomorrow's content. Like this video and subscribe for valuable contents. Thank you.